local news, a nonprofit demolishes a house to provide local veterans a final resting place. KWA's Lauren Craycall shows us how volunteers are giving up their time and money to get this process started.
The Regional National Improvement Corps, or RNCIC, is a nonprofit that began in 1984. Its sole purpose is to raise money to acquire land around the Fayetteville National Cemetery. On Friday, the group started tearing down a house on Hill Street behind the cemetery. The previous owner of the home died, and RNCIC was offered an opportunity to purchase the land a couple of months ago. Steve Reel, owner of Reel Property Services and a retired veteran himself, is volunteering his equipment to help with the demolition. He says the Fayetteville Cemetery is burying a record number of veterans, and it's important they have a burial plot. But he says it's hard to do when they have limited resources. The biggest need RNCIC says it needs is time and money.
We're always looking for volunteers and obviously donations. This land is only going up, and the cost of demoing and getting things prepared to hand it to the VA is very expensive.
Reel says it's an honor to help expand the cemetery. RNCIC will be working throughout the weekend, and Reel says volunteers are greatly appreciated. Reporting in Fayetteville, Lauren Craycall, KWA Northwest Arkansas News.
Around Arkansas, just